Big man thing. And if my life could have rewind.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, my name is Annika. So please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Just got ready, about to go bowling. I'm waiting for my friend to come pick me up. She actually on her way. Oh, it's 1 o'clock. She said, I think she's outside. She said she was gonna be at 1 o'clock. So let me go outside. I'm trying to should I wear a hat or not. This hair, I cut this hair so many times and it's still long, and then it gets frizzy so quick. So I don't know what to do.
I used to go here.
Where? Oh, the three.
But it wasn't called Bowl 360.
Oh, what was it called?
Something bowling. Oh, no, this is not it. Wait, Vanless? No, this is not it. No, yes, this is Broccoli. I went here. But it wasn't called this.
What's it? I was trying to look for the thing. The street sign, I don't see it. You know the one that runs long? Oh. You know the street sign that goes down?
What street sign?
You see how the street's going down? I'll look for the sign. You see that? Say 98th Street going that way? I'll look for the one that goes straight down.
This one?
Yeah. No.
The one that goes like this?
Yeah, the one that goes, you see where the car's going?
Yes.
It's a sign, right? Just like 98th Street going that way. The sign.
The sign that's hanging like in front of the light, under the light?
Yeah.
Oh, they probably didn't do it.
She like, what? She's like, what you talking about? Hey guys, this is Carmel. I ain't seen Carmel in forever. We didn't see each other since summertime. No, when we went out to the place.
Been here before?
I don't know. I went out. I did go on a date somewhere bowling, but I don't know if it was here.
I don't remember where you go.
It was nighttime.
Still don't remember where you go.
I really don't remember. I'm not even lying. What happened to the door?
Main entrance door.
Oh.
It's me not pulling your house out.
We gonna go. There's a lot of kids here. Oh, it's a line. Oh, it's a line. Yeah. I mean, that's it. Okay, so we're waiting on the line. So we're going upstairs? Is it that way? Might as well.
Out the way.
I don't know. Is it this one? Let's try. I don't even know. So we gotta wait 30 to 45 minutes because they don't have no. Oh, they don't have no lane. Wait, what's this? There's another one.
Oh, this is more bowling?
What a restaurant at?
Oh, right here.
Oh, it's right there. Oh, crap. We gonna go over there for some minutes because we gotta wait. Not open? Oh gosh. Damn, I'm hungry now. Let's go outside, bro.
We came early enough.
Yeah. Is it raining?
It's not very nice.
Oh, nice. Oh, sorry. I didn't want to open that for us. Oh, thank you.
Thank you.
Oh, it's ice. Okay, we're in Ozone Park. Let's find something to eat over here.
I lived where I looked
Oh, we did?
on my phone.
Oh, okay.
Yesterday when you told me we got around here to eat.
Oh, man. How far? We far from No Street, ain't we?
No, we're not far. We're like right there.
No Street?
What you talking about? No, how far from No Street?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, girl. We're on the other side of the world. You know how Brooklyn is set up.
Yo. It's really ice out here, though.
On No Street.
Restaurant, girl. What you said? What's on No Street? So what are you trying to eat? Fast food?
I do not eat fast food.
Oh, yeah. Exactly. You don't. So, I don't know why I said that. I don't want no
Only
fast
thing I
food.
eat that's fast food is Chick-fil-A.
I haven't had that in a while.
Other than that, baby, nothing else.
It's really iced.
From it.
Carmel bundled up.
Baby, I don't play about the code. Okay? With the code, stay on. What to be playing with us, for real.
Facts.
And then I didn't wear no hoodie. I just wore a t-shirt.
Oh yeah, you ain't got no hoodie under there. Woo!
I feel like I should have worn a hoodie.
It's cold. It is cold. Woo! Let me see.
What are you going to eat? Oh, you know that thing on This is Sufton Boulevard. Is it far? It's far from here? It's not far at all. Do you want to go? Let's go. We got 34 minutes anyway.
I do a podcast.
You do.
People will be very upset with me.
First of all, okay. Let's see. Come on, if you don't drive fast.
I drive fast, so you know that will fall.
Okay,
And I turn crazy too, so you know your phone goes flying to the side. Just to let you know.
Girl, you see how she pulled off already? Okay, it's not gonna work. My seatbelt on.
Watch right here. Your phone would have been gone.
Yo, it's crazy. Hold on. Cause I'm trying to. I have this thing, and it's not the way how your card is set up. Is not trying to see both of us. I do have my tripod, but the tripod's gonna fall too.
Right.
I always remember the time. But Carmel, do you remember the time we went to the last time we went to the thing, Smallbury, right? Remember we was trying to eat the food. Girl, you know I had this in my bag the whole time.
Did you really? Oh my god.
I forgot. It's like I always travel with the tripod. I'm so used to using my phone, my hand. I don't pull it out. And we were just struggling the whole time. That was funny. I'm like, yo.
It does not feel like weather. It does
not feel like winter.
It is winter. These trees will grow leaves just to prematurely grow leaves just for them to fall off. Is it me? Oh shit, it's me.
As you were telling me, oh yeah, it was, yeah. So,
like, why are you still beeping? God damn it, stop beeping.
Bro, what a Queens is this?
This right here, Cross Bay.
Cross Bay.
Ozone Park.
Oh yeah, it is Ozone Park. I'm bugging. Like, it says that out there. When it was coming, it says that.
But it's like a thin line because we also run into Cross Bay.
Okay, I didn't even know they had an area called Cross Bay. Did I? I didn't know that. You had the ice thing dropping on the thing.
Yeah, I used to live all around Queens and hang out everywhere. There used to be a thing around here, a little shop that we used to get baby shower decorations and shit like that from.
On this part?
On Cross Bay, somewhere over here in Cross Bay.
You said what?
Because I'm not going to get her in trouble.
Who?
Me.
What you mean? Oh, we're talking about the podcast?
Like me, yeah.
You should. Yeah, talk what you gotta talk. What you talking about? You should really do it though, for real. You should do it. That would be cool, Carmel. She said, "Oh, how am I gonna get her in trouble?" So what? People gonna judge you no matter what.
Oh, they made it a Dollar Tree. Here it is.
Oh, that's nice.
They made the Dollar Tree.
Sure, that's my store. I'm always up in there.
I love Dollar Tree too.
I love that.
It's everything a person needs.
Everything. Okay.
Except when it was $1.25. It's like, why you do that?
For real. Those
quarters be adding up.
It really does.
I'm like, what? I spent how much? But I only got 20
Yeah.
items.
I go in there the other day. I think I picked up some few stuff. It came up to $14.
Quarters to that. Like, damn.
It came up to $14. I'm like, oh gosh.
I stay spending mad bread. I go there. I just be shopping till I drive. Like, what's wrong?
I be trying not to. It's very hard.
Yeah, I don't even know.
Not to. But you should do your card thing. You see how you have that over there? Oh, that's what I need. No, I don't.
That wouldn't catch both of us still.
Yeah, I'm talking about. You will need that.
What I need?
That's good for you. You see how it's right in front of your face?
Yes.
To do your card thing, your podcast thing. Oh, you talking about podcasting in your house? Or you talking about cards? It's better. I don't know.
It don't matter where I do it.
Could be anywhere. Is that a Tulsa? That's a nice Tulsa. You see it? That's a Tulsa. You see it?
What you call it? Wait, what you say again? What you call it? A Tulsa?
That's all I'm calling an
It's
accent.
a Tesla. A Tulsa.
What the hell?
You too cute.
I just noticed what I said. I said it wrong.
She like Chi Chi. She always be saying whatever. And she really be thinking like that's it. I'm like, okay. She's like, you know what I mean. I'm like, I do. But I'm trying to help you.
What I said?
You said Tulsa.
Oh, what is it?
Tesla. Switch the S and the L.
It's a Caribbean in me. It's a Caribbean in me. Like, seriously.
I love it.
Yo. I can imagine like this. What's that? Come on, what you say?
What you saying? Say it. No, I said say
it again. Yo. Okay, you see, I see something on Instagram, and I was gonna say, because the last time we met up, it's crazy because the last time we met up, we spoke about it, and today I saw it on Instagram. I'm like, yo, why do you keep doing that to us, right? So you see, I posted something on Instagram. It was Justin, what's his name? The guy.
Justin LaBoy.
Yeah, him. I always say LA boy. I don't know why I said Justin LA boy. Well, yeah, him.
I mean, it's Justin the boy, to be honest, because la in like
in what?
In like Spanish.
Oh, is the?
Yeah, like la casa is like the house.
Okay, got you. So yeah, so it says I have a bad habit of not talking to people unless they talk to me.
I'm like that. I told somebody like, listen, I'm not the most thoughtful person, but if you cross my mind, I have to text you right then and there, because just like that, I'll just forget. That's only because a lot of shit is just happening. Like, yeah, you know, like my life is not subtle. Like if you see, you've been in my household, you see how crazy it is.
Right.
It's a lot happening.
No, but I was talking about, I think I was referring to, you know what I was referring to with this?
Who?
You. Do you know what I was referring to with this? With this message? With this thing? Because this is how...
Let me hear it.
This is how... But you know though, this is how we became friends.
Oh, for sure. I was talking to none of y'all bitches because none of y'all bitches was talking to me. I act like I was not there, so I act like I was not there either. It was Marsha that brought us together because y'all were friends with her, because she talked to everybody. She talked to everybody. Cause you know me, I'm gonna stay in my corner.
That's the thing. I'm not friendly. I'm not friendly like that. Like,
neither am I.
But Carmel was.
I'm natural. I'm like, if it happens, it happens. Like,
yeah.
I'm not
right.
I'm kind, but I'm not gonna ever go out my way. I mean, It depends. I might say hi, but depending on how you say hi back would determine if I ever say hi back to you again.
Yeah.
You look stinks. I was not talking to you.
Here she go again.
Sorry.
Here she go again.
You look stink.
You did too.
Show that you were not friends with anymore. You still not friends with her? Sorry. You see? I told you, don't record me, baby. Cause everything come out. You still...
I'm not cutting this out. Oh, okay.
Anywho, she looks stank too.
Son, Carmel...
Even after you became friends with her, I still felt like the vibe was still kind of off. And I go all on vibes.
With me?
No.
Oh.
With her.
Okay.
And she was like, I never had a problem with you. A lie. But okay. I'll let you live.
Yo, I'll talk about me and you, because me and you, she said I look stink. Meaning I didn't want to. I guess I had a stink face. I didn't want to talk to her.
She made a stink face. Like,
Carmel did the same thing.
No,
yes,
I have
Carmel.
I have a resting bitch face. You have a resting bitch face. Plus, you make faces. So
what?
Yes.
Do I?
You will be looking stank, but then a person walk by you and you be like, girl, what was that about?
What? Okay, come on.
I was like, Marsha, you got a problem with me?
We went back and forth with this.
She's so nice. I'm like,
we went back and forth with this.
You sick? Or are you sick?
First of all, I'm a shy person. And I don't talk to people unless they talk to me because I'm a shy person. It's not that I think I'm better than nobody. That's not the case.
I didn't get the I think I'm better than anybody.
No, but that's what somebody else said that.
People say that about me too.
Yeah, that's not the case.
Yes, bitch, I'm bougie. Bad too.
Period. But nah, that wasn't the case. It was the fact that
I used to live over here. Where we going?
Surfing in Rockaway.
I might see somebody that know me.
That's good.
No, that's not good.
Oh, yo, I cannot deal. Wait, where we at though?
This is South Ozone, baby. This is it.
I'll show y'all.
This is where I used to be my little stomping grounds.
Yeah, I never
over here.
I used to. I lived in Queens Village. I don't know this area. I think I don't live that far from me either. Right now, because I could just walk up and to Liberty Avenue and I'm right there.
It's really hailing. Like what the fuck?
What?
It's hail. It is ice.
Oh, it is ice. Yeah, we said that.
It wasn't ice before though. It just turned into ice.
It was ice when we came out the place. You didn't hear it? Remember when I said it's raining? The girl was like, no, it's not raining. It's ice.
Yeah,
No, listen. I didn't have no stink face. I was just okay. So Carmel had a resting bitch face too. I had a resting bitch face too. Carmel, I had a stink face
She
too.
had resting bitch face plus. I'm gonna call it resting bitch face plus.
Yo, I mean, if you give me a look, I'm gonna give you like the same look too.
I never gave you a look though.
Like,
what are you
she
talking
said, my
about?
girl. Listen, no, but if we catch each other looking at each other and then we don't say nothing, and then that's how you think I'm looking at you crazy or I'm giving you a stink look or whatever the case is. That was never the case. I just like that she didn't talk to me, so I didn't talk to her.
There was nothing to talk about.
But we okay, so why was you saying that I was giving you a stink face?
Shoot, both Chinese stores are gone.
There's a Chinese store over here?
There used to be 2 Chinese stores right here. Oh my God!
Oh,
It's
shit,
here.
she was about to pass the place.
Goodness!
I honestly wasn't looking at
This
so let me shut up.
is the block. Oh my God!
This where you used to be at?
I'm about to make a U-turn and go down the block. Just
Yeah,
to
all up
see
on
it.
my face. He's like, why she even holding the tripod? Then you go all in my face.
Oh my goodness!
She got old face, whole ground.
Reminiscing. Like, hold on, I gotta drive down the block. I gotta remember which way is the one way. The one way. I want to say the one way is from 119.
We
Come
gotta
on,
go.
can you hurry up?
What we getting? I don't want nothing heavy. Let me see.
I'm gonna come here because this is heavy.
I'm pretty sure that's something light.
Like what? What's light?
I don't want a rice.
Then you don't want this. But this
Pasta.
is what this is.
They got pasta.
Pasta's light?
That rice. You don't think so?
Child, if you ask me, pasta is real quick. I'm gonna come around the block just so I want to go see if I can remember. They changed so much. They changed the 2 Chinese stores. Oh my God. I mean, my heart race a little bit. Like, oh my gosh. Girl, this food heavy though.
I'm gonna figure out what to eat.
I hope it's good though. That's one thing.
It better be good because I see it on Instagram, all over Instagram. So it better be good. I don't want to talk.
The bus, the Q6.
6.
I used to take that bus. Memories.
Y'all something and 119. We got park
Right there.
The bus go to park
before this bus
court. Cascade jerk.
This is
It smells like real Jamaican food in here. Smell real good. Let's see what they have. Let's see the menu. They have bun and cheese, carrot cake. Ah! I cannot have none of that. Is this rum cake? I think this is rum cake. Got the drinks. Here's the menu. I'm not buying none of that.
That might be an accent pasta.
What are you looking at? Where is it?
That paper right there.
Oh. Damn. Oh, the pasta thing over there. I have plants.
This is Papua's language spoken in Jamaica.
Yeah. You see it?
Yeah.
I was supposed to teach her Patois. I was supposed to do that, remember? I was supposed to do a
I'm
video.
going to teach you Creole.
Yeah. I think it's going to be harder for you. Well, for me.
I mean, it's going to be hard for you.
Yeah, for me. Definitely.
Because I had a lot of Jamaican friends.
Yeah. See? And it's right there. It's not hard. I don't want no fried food.
I want everything. I want a piece of chicken. I want some of them sweet chili wings. Them wings are like they buzz.
You had...
Huh?
You had that before? You ever tried it? Like, not from here, of course, but like...
Yeah. From not from here, they
Oh, you got fried dumpling?
different looking stew peas.
That's soup.
Oh, that's soup. That's like what you call it? Pea soup? Like red pea soup.
It's looking like red pea soup. I can right here too.
Standing right here blocking it.
What's in there? Oh hell no. Okay. Seriously? No, I'm fine with that. What, like you mean like a regular restaurant?
Appetizer. We need to get
A drink.
and a drink. And I want to sit. Like, what if we eat some coffee?
Okay, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Yeah, next time. That's what I was talking about.
Sit down and chat.
Yeah. Yeah.
I thought it was like a restaurant, but I saw the awning. I was like,
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. I didn't know. Carmel's like, I'm not about to spend $30.
Door before?
Yeah, I one time. One time. I didn't really like the food, to be honest.
You did it?
No. I don't remember what I had. I think it was fish. I don't remember, but
Usually, if you get the oxtails with the good.
I don't like it. But it was years ago, so. Alright. We tried. It didn't work. Shit.
The food looked good, but not today, baby. Not today. Okay, where? Where do we want to go?
On my phone. My phone. My phone is.
You would never call us. They a lot talking about 30, 45 minutes.
It's longer than that.
Shit. Did they call?
Did they call you?
No.
She probably mad that we walked out. Yeah. How much is the large oxtail? $22. You see how they? And then they're probably not gonna give you a lot. Because honestly, I went to Sugar Cane downtown Brooklyn and they gave you so much oxtail for $26. It was worth it. That's why I bring Kimani for his birthday. That was so good.
I like sugar cane.
Sugar cane tastes so good and they give you a lot of food. A lot of oxtail. That was my first time there, so I don't know about any other food. But that oxtail was, and they gave Kimani 3 pieces of fried chicken. That was worth it. So where we going, girl? I feel like the lady.
I need some good food.
You want to go on Nostrand?
What's there?
What's it called? It's a black-owned restaurant. It's called the Burger House. You ain't know from burger, or you want?
I don't eat burgers.
Not burger. They have salmon burgers. I feel like I have healthy burgers.
I'm true Caribbean.
Look,
I'm not really a bread and. Don't give me no sandwich. I would never order a sandwich from anywhere. I don't even eat burrito. I need to be in the plate.
But she eats tacos.
I love it.
She loves tacos.
But
Haitian, she loves tacos.
For a long time, I used to tell them, don't give me that shell shit. Just give me it.
The soft one.
I used to eat it with a fork. But when I found Tukombi, oh my gosh.
What is that?
Tukombi is this taco place that's just the best taco place. And I don't go nowhere else now.
Is that in Brooklyn?
It is in Brooklyn. I mean, it's everywhere. They have it in Queens, Brooklyn.
Oh, I never heard about that.
What?
I don't really care for tacos. Remember we only went to that place one time? I don't really care for tacos.
You used to go to the place that I didn't go to this one.
No,
I think
but I'm not a taco person. That's what I'm trying to say.
Oh, I went to Red Bamboo Walk, but that's by my house.
Do you want to go there?
That's by my house.
Oh yeah, that's by your house. She live deep. She live in Canarsie.
No, it's not even considered Canarsie.
It's not? What is it considered?
Like Flatlands, Georgetown.
So
next
Flatbush?
to Canarsie. No, Flatlands, Georgetown.
So that's what it's called? That area is called?
Yeah.
Oh, I keep saying Carmen live in Canarsie the whole time.
I used to live in Canarsie.
It's
like next door though. It's like
yeah,
when you pass Ralph,
saying.
it's Canarsie. But
Yeah.
once you pass Ralph, it's not Canarsie anymore.
I took all the Canarsie because I'm like,
Because my zip code changed.
The restaurant that I went to on by Church Avenue, they got seating areas and their food is cheap and it's worth it. I paid $3 for a plate of food. That shit tastes so good.
Where?
Church Avenue and East 50 thing. $3 plate for chicken. Order girl. What? And it's cheaper than here. It's only chicken order for $3 though.
I find a place that said, "Oh yeah, let's eat here."
For real, you haven't found? I haven't found a place that said, "Oh yeah, let's eat it."
I can think of. I mean, I've never been to Caribbean Social, and I've never been to Bamboo Walk.
So girl, pick one, girl. Even though I've been to Bamboo Walk already.
Caribbean Social. Have I been to Caribbean Social?
Sure.
I almost feel like I did be.
Girl, you don't know.
It sounds familiar.
Maybe because something because you see it on social media.
No, I feel like I went there for somebody's thing. Like somebody had something there.
Seafood.
I love seafood.
I love seafood too, but I'm not in the mood to eat no seafood right now.
I'm not in a mind to do the work. You know that should take work.
That definitely take work.
But then I also don't mind something light either, like appetizer and so.
Oh, it's just like wings and whatever.
Oh yeah. I could definitely do like wings.
What place? Where can we go? We ain't here trying to find a place to go. Okay, wait. Link in the city. Link in the. This is another one.
Manhattan?
No, it's not Manhattan, girl. It's just like the other one, but you have places. Oh. I think the person you're talking about, I think it's called Good Eats Only.
I don't remember.
I think I follow her too. I should be posting it on TikTok.
Pinto Thai? Is that the Thai place?
Is that in Queens?
That's in Brooklyn.
Oh.
Mad good. This hole in the wall, that food is so good.
That's it?
Oh, yes.
Is it like affordable?
Yeah. I mean, yeah.
I went to Lemongrass Grill.
Like 15, like, you know, how much you normally pay for.
That's reasonable.
Like,
that's reasonable.
It was, but it's so delicious.
Yeah, that's a good.
I almost forgot about them. Carnival. I never heard of them before. Backyard party. Okay, we need to get dressed one day and just go. I don't know how to do hookah, but we can go to eat.
They said that's not good for you, girl.
Dressed. What's not good? Hookah? I don't do hookah.
Yeah, I don't do that no more either. I would have tried it one time.
I tried. I didn't know what the fuck to do.
Yeah, me too.
Nobody even helped me. Like, girl, like, I was like, fuck it. I'm embarrassing myself right now. Just take this shit.
Carmen is a mess. She said nobody even.
I went to Suede already. I don't want to go to Suede.
I went there to go, but the wait was crazy. I was like, I'm out. I'm out. I'm not waiting. The wait was long.
It depends on what day you go. Their food is decent. Their food is good. It's expensive though, so it's just like.
That.
I mean, if you want to go.
Blue Seafood.
That's also not far from my house.
Oh, the restaurant is around you?
Well, Suede. I mean, Suede is not far from me. Suede is on Clarendon.
You want some roti?
Clarendon. I love roti.
You want to go to a roti shop? That's heavy though.
That is heavy.
Ugh, that's gonna be heavy in my stomach. I don't feel like eating that right now, to be honest. I had oatmeal this morning, and I'm not really hungry like that to eat something so heavy right now. But it look good though.
Hey, babe, I want wings and loaded
nachos. She's a mess. What about? I can't eat that. I don't know how y'all eat that so much. The nacho stuff, especially loaded nachos, I cannot eat that.
I never had it before. His friend introduced me to the loaded nacho. She ordered it, and I tasted it, and I was like, "This is actually really good." Who was tearing that up?
I was just about to say something just now. Shit, it's on mine.
Food, chicken. I said wings.
Oh yeah. What's the other one called? What's today? Shit, it's Wednesday. That other place, wing. What the fuck is? What's the other place? The other wing place.
Don't say Wingstop.
They have Wingstop and they have the other one. The other one.
Oh, BB Dubs, like Buffalo Wild Wings.
Yeah.
They shit don't bust like that. Like that's the kind of money you spend and you spent it.
Oh really?
For real.
Oh, when I went there, it was cool. I liked it.
It used to be really good, but they fell the fuck off.
Somebody don't got no BBQs around here.
They do. What about my house? Everything about my house.
Wait, what BBQ is my house?
Flatbush Junction.
Oh, okay. Well, I went to that one time. Yeah, I did. I went to that one time. Yeah, she far. She far from over here. You far.
I told you I'm on the other side of Brooklyn.
It is, bro. Why is not? Is it upside down?
Yes.
Why am I holding this and we in the car? Oh, I thought I was charging it.
My stomach burning. What we eating?
I'm trying to figure out. Carmel, you should choose because you're the one that's really hungry.
But you picky, so I can't choose.
No, for real. Let's say what it is.
You want to just go to downtown Brooklyn and go to Pinto?
Yeah, we could go wherever, girl.
Thai, that's too heavy for you?
No, Thai is actually good. I'm just go wherever. Let's go.
So we're going to Pinto.
Pinto. Hopefully it's good, like you said.
It's very good.
She said because you picky. I am picky. I just want my food to taste good.
Nah, it's not good.
Okay. I went to Lemongrass Grill.
I don't really like.
It's good.
I haven't been there in a long time.
I went there one time and I took my mother there for her birthday. The last time, her last birthday. It tastes so good. And I see that they upgraded it now. I saw it on Instagram. It's upgraded. So
that's like near Court Street, right?
Yeah, by the movie theater. Not far.
Damn.
What happened?
Maybe not today. It's like 1 hour.
Right? Okay, no, see, we in the... Okay, so that's what I'm saying.
We need to eat in Queens.
Yes, so that's what I'm trying to tell you. Like, let's go, let's stay where we at. We in Queens, let's just get something.
The fuck? Look at this Jamaican Park. 1 hour, baby. I only live 10 minutes away from here. Like, why I gotta go 1 hour to... Oh, no.
And I only...
It's like going to Manhattan.
Yeah, it is. We actually know into the city to go eat, you know? We always in Brooklyn.
Cause bitch, I don't like to freaking take the train.
Yeah.
And then I gotta drive and find
This is
parking.
always people in this car. They don't like taking the train.
I don't.
One
But
thing in the car.
I said that I would try.
Okay.
It depends on what line though. I'm sorry. These motherfuckers is crazy. And
What do you mean one line? The A train?
Oh, I'm definitely not taking nobody A train.
What train you gonna take?
The B, the D, the Q.
Oh, okay. So you want to drive there and then
maybe
leave
the
a car?
No, I drive everywhere. So I drive to the city.
No, I mean you're gonna.
I drive to the city.
But there's no parking in the city.
On Sundays there's parking, or like late night it's parking. But in the
But I'm
daytime,
saying, like, do you? I was gonna say, do you drive to the train station and leave your car there? No.
I have not done that in a very long time.
Oh.
It's been a long. When I used to go to school, yes, I used to do that all the time. But girl, since the pandemic happened,
Yeah.
I have not. All right, I'm hungry. I really wanted to bowl too. Damn.
So we're not gonna be able to bowl?
I don't know. Maybe we could try again at 3:00.
Oh, they called you. Said they called you.
They did, but they probably gave our shit away.
Oh my god. But still, our name is written down. So if you go back there, they should have a spot for us. You don't think so?
I'm gonna be like, sign again, heifers. Y'all left.
I mean,
I wanted their restaurants to open.
Yeah, it wasn't open.
Something, it says
It's
open
4
at
o'clock.
4. I'm hungry now.
Yeah, we can't wait. First of all, we gotta wait for a fucking bowling
Food.
lane. Then we gotta wait for food. That's too much. So we have to leave.
Too much.
I'm looking at the Queens thing. So hopefully there's one close by. Oh, no, that's far. I was gonna say Cheesecake Factory. That shit far.
Cheesecake Factory is Queens Boulevard. It is far. And their food don't taste that great.
I like it. Well, I only went one time.
I only order one thing.
The time I went there, it tasted
What you order? What do you eat there?
I only went there one time.
Also,
That was
when I go there, I only order one thing. No, I ate 2 things. When Mike brings it to me, I go to the one in Long Island.
Oh, you need food? Oh, I think. What was it? It's
What's
like
food nearby? Like near me? Like what's the problem? Find me food near me.
But we've been.
They don't have food over here. Like people don't eat over here.
I feel like I'm in the mood for some pasta and wings or something. Blue seafood.
Rasta pasta.
Not rasta pasta. Like pasta like this.
Oh girl, ain't gone. Where that at?
This is Blue Seafood Restaurant.
Where that
Where is
at?
this? Let me see. Mary Boulevard.
That's not far from here.
It's not?
No.
It's 2. Okay, let me see how far we at.
How many know that tastes good though?
We're not gonna know, girl. We're gonna try. We're trying new restaurants. We're not gonna know if it tastes good or not. We just gotta try it. What's a minute drive? It's not far.
It's not. I said that.
Okay. Do you wanna go?
Let me see this menu, cause baby, I don't mind the ways. Let's go to
That's fact.
Well, them wings look good though.
I want some pasta. That shrimp pasta look good. I feel like I'm in the mood for that.
You gotta go to something. You gotta look at I gotta order food that I know they can't fuck up. Crab cake,
We both
calamari.
picky. Y'all can see. You know how long we've been here trying to
Here, we sat here
Where?
a long ass time. This is a seafood spot.
Like seafood too?
Facts. Oh, they got tacos. Oh shit. They gonna let me spend money.
I just want some pasta. That shrimp pasta look good. Hopefully it's good. Yeah, we're not far. I think we should just go there. 'Cause if we sit down here, if we don't shoot that, we're gonna be here another 20 minutes.
What is this? 22-02 Merrick Boulevard. I better not see nobody I know. I'm gonna act like I don't know them.
That's a Gemini in us. That's all.
Facts. If I didn't plan for
That
you,
is a
I do
Gemini in
not
us.
see you.
That's what she said. I'm gonna act like I don't see you. Them wings do look good though.
Them wings look good, don't they?
We going for them wings. Them wings.
What's that?
I would know that was. Wait, let's try it again. I've never been to a karaoke spot.
You lie.
Never. You been?
That's my favorite thing to do.
Oh!
You know I love to sing. You don't know I love to sing?
Do I know that? Don't know that.
You know that. Damn.
You ain't tell me that. I know you love to dance. I didn't know you love to sing.
Singing was my definitely first love.
No, yeah, we spoke about this before. You did mention this. You did mention this before.
I did.
You did mention
Singing
this before.
is definitely my first love.
She did. But yeah, she's not singing.
I don't sing because there's better singers than me.
You better go on. You better be like Issa Rae and just do what you gotta do, girl. You don't know. You might pop one day.
I don't even want to be famous, so that's not gonna. Once
So
I
it's
realize
singing
I
for
don't want to
fun.
be famous, then yeah, I love to do it for karaoke. They be like, you shouldn't even come to karaoke, but I mean,
I'm shy, but I'll do it. If it's me and you on stage together, if I go by myself, I can't do it.
I don't do that kind of karaoke. Like if you're talking about, I mean, I only did that one time.
Which one?
The karaoke in front of
The thing, the
bunch of
thing?
people.
Yeah,
I only did that once.
we could do that though.
But I do the karaoke where you get a book a room with mad people, and then y'all all just sing
Okay, I see
in
that.
that room.
Oh, okay, got you.
You pick songs.
But you
from a
think you
book.
don't think it's more fun to do it in front of people that you don't know?
No.
She said no. I think that's kind of fun.
I mean, I did it, and it was. I mean, I did it.
I never did it.
It's
before.
nerve wracking though. Like, don't fuck up.
Yeah. I mean,
I go ham. I be performing.
As I'm saying, just
You
do
be
it
like,
with no
"Shit."
care and just do it and like have fun with it. I feel like
do.
once you go up there and just like, oh, I'm gonna have fun with it. I don't think it's gonna even.
I mean,
matter.
I don't care about that. I just, cause I don't know. Me, I'm gonna perform. It depends on how people gonna feel around me. 'Cause
Right.
when
She's like, I'm gonna perform.
Right?
I feel you. Yeah. That's the thing though. You're supposed to just go up there and just have fun with it. I don't want to go up there and be shy. If I'm trying to do something like that, I want to go up there and have fun.
I just go with the people. You always gotta go with the right people, cause some people be in their feelings.
For what?
When they find out you can actually sing, they don't like that. I find.
Are you serious?
Mm-hmm.
So somebody was hating on you because you could sing.
They're like, all right, Beyonce.
Oh.
I was like, get it right.
I was like, okay, Michelle.
As long as you know.
Like, okay, Michelle. The fuck? Like, why she
It's
hating?
either Beyonce or Kelly, baby.
Why she hating?
Come on, when I did, I was
But let me not say that, 'cause
actually singing. Like,
I don't know why we keep saying about Michelle. Michelle could actually
I
sing.
love Michelle. Michelle can sing.
It's not Michelle supposed to sing. Say one of them girls that's in
Latavia.
Yes, the old ones.
You can't even say Latoya, because Latoya can sing too.
Latoya could sing.
Latoya was
It's not
actually,
even Latavia. What's the other girl's
her
name?
name was Latavia. Oh, Farrah. You can call her
Farrah. Not Latavia. Latavia was one of the
Latavia
OGs.
did not
Farrah.
sing good though.
I never really hear her sing by herself though.
Farrah did not sing.
But I like her.
Latavia,
I like her and Kelly.
She lost her voice if she did sing.
Who?
Latavia.
Oh.
Latoya, she's still successful. Like, she still
Yeah.
definitely did like 2 or 3 albums.
Yeah, she has some is too.
I loved her. Yeah,
I'm torn
I
in
got downloaded.
between the two. Cause I really wanna be.
Her last
with
album,
you.
I listened to the whole thing.
I didn't. I actually didn't. You know that song,
Really
She
good.
Don't? She Don't. I think it's called She Don't. She did it with Slim Thug. I think that's an ex, right? So I like that song and I like Torn. I think it was another one.
She has
But
some
yeah.
good stuff.
I never heard. Yeah, Michelle go sing.
Michelle is
Michelle
not,
can sing.
is not to play with.
Her voice is just so.
It's churchy.
Yeah, it's soothing too. It's like soft. But yeah, I always liked Kelly and Latavia back in the day. I wasn't really a big Beyonce fan.
I loved Latoya first, and then I loved Kelly,
Oh, okay.
and then I loved Beyonce when she went solo.
Oh, okay. I like Latavia. I think it was because of her hair. Her hair was just so natural and laid.
Yeah, it was a natural. in
natural
her.
hair, yeah. So
Definitely pretty.
and Kelly, of course, too.
That's a hangover here.
Oh, what the?
Let me feel like I'm reminiscing.
We're reminiscent. It's a good thing.
Driving through everywhere I used to be.
This is church. Yeah, that's a nice church.
They ain't making money for real.
Oh, what if they're about to pass? Are you about to pass my church? I ain't been over there in a long
What
time.
church?
No, you on Mary Boulevard.
You
No, my church is on.
To my Linden on AM.
No, it's on Springfield Boulevard. It's Springfield. Damn, that's sad. I don't remember where my church is.
What are you doing?
Is that a girl?
It's a guy. Should have known that. Because a girl would be too scary to do. It didn't make me miss the light. Like, what's really good with your stupid ass?
Ooh, nice painting. What's it called? No, my church is on Springfield Boulevard, actually.
Is it in Cambria Heights or is it in Springfield Gardens? Your church?
It's in the Gardens. It's by Springfield High School.
Oh, that's Springfield Gardens.
It's by. That's sad. I don't remember what the hell my church was. I ain't been in a long time. I ain't gonna lie.
I went to that junior high school across the street from Springfield High School. What school you went to?
Van Buren.
No, junior high.
Shit. What the hell is the name of the damn school? It's my 92. 204th and what's the other part?
In Cambria Heights?
No, St. Albans. St. Albans.
St. Albans?
Yeah.
I went to 231.
Oh, okay. I've heard people that went to my high school say they went to 231.
Yeah, mad of us came from here.
Those people like, what?
Oh shit! Don't shoot nobody.
What high school you went to? What high school you went to?
Oh, he scared the fuck out of me.
Oh, the guy? Oh,
yes,
what?
he hopped out the car. Was like, oh no,
Please leave your message.
I didn't even know this.
His car broke down Wednesday.
03332.
Oh, is that a cop car?
I don't know. Ugh, that shit hurt my stomach so bad just now.
Oh.
Now I gotta calm my whole body down.
See? I don't want to drive. People get that, why you don't want to drive? What do you, I'm scared to drive. I don't
Hello?
Shayla. Okay, thank you. Bye.
That's it?
Hey,
Yeah.
Shayla.
You, Anna K said hi to you.
Hi, Anna Kay.
Hey. Yo, I had golden corns the other day. No, I had beef patty with cocoa bread for the, I had that shit in so long. You know what I paid for that? That shit was $5.
Shit is expensive. Remember
$5
it used to be $1, and you said it's paying like 50 cents for the cocoa bread.
Listen, it was so cheap. I think the last time I bought it was like $2 or $3. That was years ago, but damn.
I said, excuse me? What did you say?
When the guy told me, I was like, what? What?
Rip me off for real for what?
$5.29. I think I paid for that shit.
I'm like, say it again with your chest.
What? That was so expensive. But I ate it. I was hungry. And I was craving it. So I'm like, let me just buy this. Whatever.
I'm like, say that again with your chest. Because, baby, that shit don't make no sense.
Forget the food. I'm not even talking about the food. I'm not buying no food from there.
I do. I buy like the little lunch, the little chicken, curry chicken
Specials?
with white rice, the specials.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. But and how much that be?
Too much. Maybe like $7, $8.
And I could
$4
cook that for her for free.
I mean, I be cooking it too.
That's my
Let me tell you
favorite.
something. Ever since
I want to
my
taste
shit
that from you.
You should.
I want to taste that from her. Some curry chicken. I'm gonna be honest too, girl. Cause curry chicken is my favorite. I love some curry chicken. So if you
that and shrimp, I be fucking it.
What, jerk shrimp?
No, curry shrimp.
Oh, curry shrimp. Okay. Have you ever tried it with coconut milk?
Yeah, that shit's busted.
I never cooked it.
When I make curry, I didn't put coconut milk in it.
Okay. Oh, you always do?
Too.
Oh yeah. See, I think it's the area. Where we at? This is American one. Yeah, Springfield Boulevard. My church
is this way.
I think it's that way. Is it? Oh yeah, it's that way. Yeah, I noticed which side we on. Yeah, it's up that way.
I used to take the bus every damn day. I used to take the 77 all the way across.
Oh yeah, Q77, right? Yeah.
To go to, I think, to Cambria Heights.
Oh yeah.
I went to Jack.
Oh yeah, you go to Jackson.
I went to Jack.
I'm gonna tell you, we went to Jackson.
Y'all up to no fucking good, I bet.
No, we went over there to jog. Not jog. To ride bicycles.
I used to go to the school.
I think I went over there in summer. I think I had summer school over there too. I think I did. Yeah, I did.
My cousin you went to school with my cousin.
In Van?
Yeah.
That name sounds familiar. Is she light skinned?
She's dark skinned. She's tall, glasses.
I didn't see a picture.
Y'all friends on Facebook.
What?
And Chantel. You went to school with Chantel too.
Chantel.
Chi-Chi's sister Chantel. She went to Van Buren.
Oh, I passed this the other day. I came around here. I had a day around here the other day. I said, did you really? Yeah, I did. Oh, this is where we going. We passed it. Okay.
I don't know if this is a good parking spot, but I'm about to do it.
Okay. Hopefully the food tastes good. Yeah, I'm hungry. Now. We were riding around for a while.
We were.
And it's raining now. It's literally raining. Yeah, I went on a date the other day.
Did you?
How was it? It was good, but then
I don't even know if this is not low no more.
I don't understand why. Just because you take a bitch out don't mean you don't get something.
Yeah,
like nigga.
That's all they care about now. This
is why I just be going on dates. You see how many times I go on dates? I just be going on dates.
They so different.
Dates. Because you think because you don't took me out, you don't get some cutty. You don't gonna get no cutty. I give it to you when I'm ready. But if you can't wait, then too bad. That's why I'm single. I don't got time.
Facts.
I don't got time. I really don't.
Like, are you one of them guys like if you take on a date, you think you're entitled to citizenship?
Like seriously.
No, I just want to let you know you're not getting no pussy so that way after we have the date, you're not expecting nothing.
But we spoke about that. But you just think trying to make a slick move. Think I don't notice.
Yeah, and they do that. You have a conversation with them and they still think like, oh yeah, she's saying that, but when we get in person.
Right. Like, let me, you want to go to my house and relax? No, take me home. Take me home. I'm tired. Take me home.
Go to your house because I don't know how to act when you go to your house.
That's like that's even worse. Why would I go to your house? Okay. I'm just going to run out. I was going to... What are you talking about? What's today?
Wednesday. They don't want us to eat.
What is going on today? Bro, I cannot. Carmel, what is... So we drove all the way here?
We burning gas for real. Just to end up having to wait till the
phone.
Your phone? Case? So then what phone is that?
My vlog phone.
Your what phone?
The vlog phone.
You got 2 phones?
Carmel, you knew that. You forgot?
I did not know that.
That's the phone we were vlogging when we went to the place.
I don't pay attention. I don't.
Bro.
Did it break? Oh, you have that glass screen.
I have it on, but still, I ain't want to touch no water.
Oh, these iPhones nowadays are really good with water.
I do have the screen protector on it. Imagine if I didn't. My shit would have been
cracked.
Jesus. So we drove all the way over here for no reason.
Just
like, I can't. Today is not over there.
I'm not claiming that. Don't say that. It's not a good day to eat. But it's a good day.
Yeah. I mean, come on. We went to the Jamaican spot. This other food. 4 o'clock. What time is it, Carmel?
It's not 4 o'clock. It's 2:54.
I'm mad.
I'm hungry.
I'm pissed.
Hey, wait, go to the door and go get some oxtail. Stop playing. The door is the only place I know in Queens. But that's food. I
mean, ain't that what you're trying to eat?
Yeah, I don't mind eating. I don't actually mind. Their food is mad good to me.
I'll try to.
Don't order no fish.
That's what I had. I think that's what I had. I didn't like it.
That's what you told me.
Yeah. This is where I went with the guy. Remember the guy I told you about? Mm-hmm. That's where I went.
Where's that at?
It's in Queens.
Far? Was it good?
Yes, it's actually around.
Oh, it's over here. Is it open? Look at me for a second. I'm not playing with these people.
Yeah, why is this one in Queens open so late?
Because they know business is not booming until...
It's 5 minutes from here.
Oh, it's right around the corner. Is it open?
What's the name of it?
No, you should have went on their website.
What's it called again?
Google be lying. Go to Instagram and click on the link.
What's wrong?
Girl, wake up.
Guys, we hungry. Okay. We hungry.
I know we hungry.
And I'm like, yo, what's going on? Because we just driving around and places is not open.
They fucking website don't even work.
What is this?
Oh my God. We're gonna die of hunger. We're gonna die.
Sands Bar.
I think it's not open.
It's open.
Why did bitch say permanently closed?
What? It's open. It's not open? We gotta reserve a table.
Do we?
I don't think so. No, last time I walked in there with the guy, so I don't think we gotta reserve nothing.
Okay, give me the address.
It's 234. Who the hell is this? 234 32 Merrick Boulevard.
Was the food good?
It was good. What I had, it was good. The wait was a little bit though. I'll tell you that right now.
Well, everybody should be at work because niggas should have jobs. No offense to people who do not have jobs. I'm just saying, I'm tired of niggas being off without work.
Bro, she's like... They say Queens is very confusing. You think so?
When you lived here all your life, it's only confusing to people that are not from here.
Nah, it's because they got... You know how they have like 220 Street? They have 220 Boulevard Road Avenue.
I mean, it's better than having to memorize the words because you know that 146 is gonna come before 147, and if you live here long enough, you know Avenue comes before road. But if you go over here with like New York Ave, Nostrand Ave, Kingston Ave, you don't know which one comes first unless you memorize those names.
That's true. That is so true.
Oh, here it is. Okay, 3 minutes. I don't know where it was taking me before.
He said, okay.
I gotta go back the other way. Oh, it's right behind us.
Is behind us?
Kinda. Alright.
Let's do this again.
Let's try this again.
Let's try this
After
again.
that, it's just like, fuck this shit. I'm going bowling.
Like, why are you not open? Like, who does that? Ugh. I think we'll
They're
get
like
past the
everybody
restaurant.
at work. We open it for people that get out of work.
That's what if because it's raining? Oh no, the time said that. It says 4.
4 o'clock.
4 o'clock.
That's a Sunday brunch.
That's dumb. Yeah, when I went to the restaurant, they talking about some food that I wanted. They didn't serve it. They serve it on a Sunday. I'm like, why?
What did you want? Because what if I want that?
No, not from that restaurant. I'm talking about the restaurant I went to the other day. She said, well, what did you want? What you see? You see why I can't drive around here? I mean, in New York. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying.
You said you was gonna order something, but they don't.
Oh yeah,
they
they had
until Sunday.
they had ackee and saltfish on plantain, and they didn't have it. He talking about that's for like Sunday brunch. I'm like, why?
All these bitches that can't drive.
Like, why? Why do you not have it right now? Like, that don't make no sense. Jerk huts. I feel like the Jamaican food. I said this multiple times. I feel like the Jamaican food in Queens is better than Jamaican food in Brooklyn. That's just me. I feel like that's how I feel.
It's better than anything I've tasted before. But I think it depends on where you go. Is what I think.
Oh, the door. I don't know. Like I said, I tried
to
to
order the food that actually. I don't know about the fish because I didn't eat the fish, but
I like that. But like,
okay, where is
that,
it?
That one is locked.
Did I miss it?
What was it? 234. 234. Oh, they okay. Caribbean Soul. It's right there. You see?
What the fuck is that though?
Remember that's the one I'm mistaking it for the Caribbean Social. Remember I was looking at
Well, if it's not working, we will eat there.
if it's open.
Well, at least we buy the belt so that way when we go home,
Oh, okay.
we still like you get off and then I can get back on the belt if I need to and go home. You know where I love to go? If this don't work out, we going to the mall.
What mall?
Kings Plaza. That shit don't disappoint. Nobody got time for this. Girl, that shit is closed. They got Sands to go. Sands Cafe is closed. Right?
No.
Am I bugging? Okay, let's go look.
It says it. I think. Okay, let's go try. Do you want to go outside? Can you just pull up?
I don't want to pull up and then we have to park and then I have to.
No, it does. It says Sands Cafe, but look at the grill is down.
Yeah, but what about the Sands to go? What's the Sands to go? You can go in there to sit, or they just keep that gate down?
Know.
Was the gate closed yesterday? Or whenever you went?
Girl, I went months ago. Went last year.
Okay, what do Caribbean Soul got? Because this is pissing me off. We going to the mall.
Yeah, we close.
They got Shake Shack.
Oh, Shake Shack.
They got.
But you say you don't want no burger.
They got shit. I would eat Shake Shack, but if I don't eat Shake Shack, I'll eat Magumi's.
What's Geminis?
Like a Chinese grill.
Is that the one that's next to the McDonald's?
Yeah.
I ate from there before.
It's mad good.
It is good.
I'll eat there.
That shit is crazy. It's closed.
Girl, that shit.
So okay, what about Caribbean Soul? You want to go?
I don't even know what that is. Is it open?
Yeah, I think it was open.
Let's see.
Bro, what the?
You looked it up too. That's a funny thing. You're like, yeah, Caribbean Soul. I'm like, Caribbean Social.
Yo, it's open. It is open.
It is.
Yeah.
What is it?
It's just okay, let me see the reviews for the food.
Where the website?
Bro, we driving around. Look.
Oh,
So
you need
they got pictures right here.
reservations.
Do you?
Yeah, I don't think.
No, I'm about to call him right now. We outside.
Ah.
It's raining. Ain't nobody in there.
Oh, they got lamb chop. I never had. I've been wanting to eat lamb chop. Oh, they got upstairs. We need to get dressed and come here too.
So you don't want to go now?
Kids and family friendly date night.
Thanks for calling Caribbean Soul. For luxury takeout,
It says no hoodie.
Okay, I'm just pressing a number. Cause them Bob Marley don't play. One little instrumental thing of his song is giving me copyright. Answer the phone, girl. Bro.
Not the answer the phone, girl.
Cause I'm trying to see if we need. I don't think we need. This has been a long day. I feel like it's a long day.
They're not fucking with us,
Bro. What is going?
thank you for calling Caribbean
This is happy
Soul.
hour.
We apologize, but we are unable to take your call at this time.
Why?
Your call is important to us.
Why?
Please hang up and try your call again.
Well, they got happy hour.
Right here.
Mm-hmm. Got pineapple jerk. That sound mad good. Chicken tacos.
God, what is
Bang
going
bang
on,
fried shrimp.
bro?
You know, this is walking.
Let's just go. Cause
And if
I'm
we got it-
aggravated.
Cause the bitch is hungry.
And I hope we don't gotta wait long either. Where my-
Nobody should even be there.
That's what I'm saying. It's raining. Anybody out here? They should be lucky we come in here. Caribbean Soul. I keep saying Caribbean Social. They got rooftop lounge. Why look like it's empty?
We're good.
Huh?
I think we're fine. We're not wearing anything that we're not allowed to wear.
It looks empty as hell in
It
here.
looks like they're not serving nobody.
Hi. We open?
Yeah, upstairs.
Oh, look at that. That's nice. Nice. It's like a birthday spot. It's nice. Oh. So this is not the way you drive around. It's nice. And it smells good in here. Come on, right? Oh, they're playing music. I hear it. Oh, God. Soca.
Not that I don't want you here. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist. We can get away. Come chase beach views and then every day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. How I feel about you, think I wish away. Really wanna, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you. I don't wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you. I want you around, around. I want you around,
Jamaica combo. Because I'm still with her goal. She's hungry. Hopefully you like it. I hope I like it.
I swear it's not myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher come rocket love. For gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm cheese, beach views on the night day. All I wanna hear is an episode how we play. Sit right next to you. I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you.
Oh? Yeah, that's how you see oxtail. This is really good. I'm over there having a laugh. Well, I can't eat it. What? The wing? You need to make how big the wing was? Tearing that up. I got my plate. Barely touched. Alright, this don't like the plastic, so it's too soft. I thought I love plastic. Again, I would do that right to the oxtail. What? I love plastic like this. So something nice.
I like this song.
I don't know who sings the song. I like this one. What's it, Miss Cat? Oh, Cat? Cat? What's it? Cat? Cat. Okay, Cat. Okay. Kiss the band? Okay. Yeah, I like this song.
And they're giving a party for Carmel. Carmel having a dance.